Baby color improvement tips. There are several things you can try to improve the color of your baby's skin. Keep your baby well hydrated by providing plenty of fluids such as water, breast milk, or formula. Cocoa Soft Massage Oil with coconut and turmeric oil for babies. As one of the best baby oil for skin whitening, it is also free from harmful chemicals and toxins like sulfates and parabens. It is one of the best coconut oil for baby massage in India. Dehydration can cause the skin to appear dry and pale. Use a mild, unscented soap and avoid using harsh chemicals or products on your baby's skin. Dress your baby in lightweight, breathable clothing, especially in warm weather. Tight or heavy clothing can irritate the skin and cause rashes. Regarding her skin color, it is completely normal that your baby's complexion is becoming darker with age. Most babies are relatively fair when newborn, but depending on race and genes, the baby's skin then changes during the first year to its real color. So there is no need to worry at all. Use a humidifier to add moisture to the air, especially during the winter months when the air is dry. This can help keep your baby's skin hydrated. Make sure your baby is getting enough sunlight. Exposure to sunlight can help improve the color of your baby's skin, as well as provide important vitamin D. Just be sure to protect your baby from the sun's harmful rays by using sunscreen and dressing them in lightweight, protective clothing. Make a paste of sandalwood, turmeric, and saffron plus milk. Apply it on your baby's body. Leave it on dry for 10 minutes. It helps to change your baby's skin tone naturally. It also helps fight skin infection. Avoid using products that contain dyes or perfumes on your baby's skin. These can irritate the skin and cause rashes. Consult with your doctor if you are concerned about the color of your baby's skin. They can provide further guidance and determine if there are any underlying health issues that may be causing the change in color. Uneven skin color in babies is very normal. You only need to wait more than 6 months to know exactly if your baby's skin color is white or black. Unruly baby skin is also very common, which can come from race. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.